Top 5 legit apps to make money online. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 legit apps you can use to make money online. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any of these real money-making apps. Let's jump right in. First up is Swagbucks. This one's been around for a while, and it's actually one of the easiest ways to earn. You can get paid for doing super simple things like taking surveys, watching short videos, playing games, or even shopping through their links. Every task earns you points, which you can redeem for PayPal cash or gift cards. It's great if you're just trying to make a few extra bucks during downtime. Next is Fiverr. This one's perfect if you've got any skill you can offer online, like graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, writing, or even something like social media help. You just create a profile, post your services, which are called gigs, and clients will reach out to you directly. It's totally legit, and people have built full-time incomes from this app. Then we've got Upwork. It's kind of like Fiverr, but more tailored toward long-term freelance work. So if you're a developer, a marketer, a writer, or even into admin support, this is a great place to land higher-paying jobs. It's definitely worth it if you're looking to build a remote work lifestyle. Another awesome app is TaskRabbit. This one is more hands-on, so it's great if you're into doing errands, assembling furniture, moving help, or deliveries. You create a profile, list the services you offer locally, and then you'll get hired for different tasks in your area. It's a really solid way to earn if you don't mind some physical work and want something a little different from online-only options. And finally, there's user testing. If you're the type of person who loves trying out new websites or apps, you'll love this. You basically get paid to test websites and apps by recording your screen and giving feedback. Each test usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes and pays about $10. It's easy and actually kind of fun. So those are 5 real apps you can use to start making money today. These aren't scams or get-rich-quick tricks, just legit platforms where people like you are earning every day. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching.